Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to use an electric scraper. And these are the parts of this main electric scraper if you need to repair it in the future. This is the speed adjustment 1 to 6. Speed number one is for light cutting, and speed number 6 is the fastest and sharpest speed. And these are the parts that are included with the main tool when you buy this item from Harbor Freight. And that's the main tool, and the attachments are showing and their names. So it's very inexpensive. For $34.99 you can't go wrong. That's the price showing. This is the sanding block that you attach to the main tool. And here we are attaching a sandpaper that has Velcro in the back that attached very tightly to the sanding block, so you can sand your wooden table project or any sanding project that you have. Make sure the cutting blade is aligned properly with the 4 pins on the attaching flange of the main tool. Now we are attaching the copper spindle flange necessary for all-around tightness on the main tool flange. Make sure the copper flange is attached properly and firmly. This is the power switch, and here is the speed control. Speed 1, number 1 is for light scraping or cutting, and number 6 is for fast cutting and the sharpest cutting. And be very careful not to cut deep in your wood material or any project that you have. Here is our project to reattach the decorative panel or top cover of the bottom step. Here outside, scraping old glue from the top cover. And here is a very clean decorative panel. Now, removing old glue on the main step. Make sure not to damage the waterproof laminate. It's very expensive. Now I'm using speed number 6. It's very sharp and cuts very fast. So be careful not to damage your material that is irreplaceable sometimes. Make sure you wear earmuffs not to damage your hearing. It's very loud. It's high frequency sound that could damage and lose your hearing if you don't wear earmuffs. This is the cold weather glue. You can use it in winter time. Apply the glue on the top cover every 4 inches apart, and apply more glue on the top cover. Apply thinner glue at the main step and wait 1 minute for glue to cure a little bit, so that it will adhere properly between the top cover and the main step. Now I'm pressing the top cover to the main step to make contact properly to the main step so that the glue will adhere properly. Wow, what a beautiful job, as you can see. Now looking upstairs. Now looking downstairs. Now looking from the front door. Now we all learned how to use this electric scraper. Very inexpensive, for $34.99 at Harbor Freight, and you could save a $350 project. This is the before repair. And this is the after repair. Looks so nice. Please, I'll appreciate it if you click subscribe and like buttons. Thank you very much.